How to find personal information on Deezer mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find personal information on Deezer mobile. First, then open Deezer, and here you will find this settings icon in the top corner. Click on it and then click this one, account management, and then click here, this one, personal information. Click on it, and as you see here you can find your personal information and you can change it, and that's it, and you can go back and it will be saved, and that's how to find it. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end and see you in the next video.